Hello everyone, we are Team Suraksha Tech, dedicated to using technology to protect the lives of sanitization workers and make their life safer. Before we begin our solution, we would like to watch a short video. This video represents the real life challenges faced by a sanitization workers every single day. It shows situations that are not fictional but harsh realities happening in many cities. As you watch, we request you to observe not just the visuals but the risks, the fear, and the lack of safety these workers experience underground. This feels bad, right? Just imagine going to work every single day knowing that a single breath of toxic gas or a falling pipe could cost you your life. These workers step into darkness with no real time monitoring, no emergency alert system, and no immediate support if something goes wrong. While we live safely above the ground, they risk everything beneath it. And many of these accidents could be prevented with the right technology. That is exactly the problem we are here to solve. To address this real world problem, we developed a simple, cost effective, and reliable safety system that works even without internet connectivity. Our system consists of two units, the worker unit and the supervisor unit. The worker unit is designed as a wearable device integrated into an ID card, wristwatch, or helmet for convenience and comfort. It includes an ESP32, GPS module, LoRa module, panic button, buzzer, and battery. Before entering the manhole, the GPS captures and stores the entry location of worker. This location is saved and used in case of emergency. If the worker faces an danger underground, they press the panic button. Immediately, the buzzer produces an confirmation alert and the ESP32 sends an emergency signal through the LoRa module. On the supervisor side, another ESP32 with LoRa receives an alert and updates the monitoring website dashboard. The website displays the stored entry location along with the emergency notification. Since LoRa communication does not require internet and works over long distances, it is suitable for underground environments where the mobile networks may not function properly. Overall, our system is simple, cost effective, and focused on improving worker safety by ensuring quick emergency alerts and faster response time. And now, we would like to present our solution.
This is Suraksha Tech, our smart safety monitoring system for sanitation workers. This is a working prototype of our demo. The final deployed system will include secure supervisor authentication and a more structured interface. Our platform, Suraksha Tech, has two sections: monitor, stimulator. In the monitor section, the supervisor can see real time worker status using color code indicators: green for safe and red for emergency. It also shows the number of active workers and detailed table below, a detailed table which includes worker's name, worker's ID, worker's location, and the correct status. Also, the battery of the hardware push button they're carrying on the field. In the stimulator section, we can register the worker here at the add worker tab. Click any name, let's say this name. We register the device here. Let's try and select a worker here at the select a worker device tab. Let's click on this. You get a detailed description of the worker. Here the status, his ID, the GPS exact location. Note the location here is the location of near the manhole entry. This is not the exact location underground. This is the location of the entry, but it's detailed. It also has the latitude and the longitude. Here, in the stimulator section, we can register a worker and stimulate an emergency using this SOS button. In real deployment, this will not be a web button, it will be a single hardware push button carried by the worker in the field. Let's click on the SOS button and see what happens when you go to the monitor section. Here, you can see an alert is triggered and the number of active alerts is also shown. Ashwini Maheshwaram, she is in danger, as you can see. Can also reset this alarm after this rescue is completed. It's done. And this monitor tab is auto refreshed every 3 seconds. Can also search for a particular worker and a zone. At this stage, we're not integrating gas sensors. Sewer environments cause calibration drift, moisture interference, and high maintenance requirements for gas sensors. Therefore, we focus first on building a simple and reliable and a cost effective emergency trigger mechanism. In future deployment, we also plan to integrate a time based safety mechanism where each worker will be assigned a minimum and a maximum safe working duration. If the worker does not exit within that time frame, the system will automatically generate an alert, even if the SOS button is not pressed. Suraksha Tech is not just a dashboard, it is a dedicated safety communication network. No smartphones, no internet dependency, just reliable LoRa based emergency signaling with centralized supervision. This is practical, deployable, cost effective, and scalable.